Tramway in Vyborg, Russia, 1912 by ASEA. Goes to Obobro, Turun silta, Abaski most, Turku Bridge. And it has rails underneath it. It's functioning as a cafe, but the cafe is not open at the moment. Elektricitetsverket i Vyborg. Vyborgin sähkölaitos. Only in Finnish and Swedish, not even Russian. Right. Today is the 10th of January 2020. Beautiful tram. Very beautiful it is. Too bad they closed down the trams in 1957 already. Between 1912 and 1957 it was in service. ASEA. Yes, ASEA, as you can see. It says there. Yeah. That's it. Also, a museum tram was proposed in 2007, but still hasn't been done for 13 years. As you can see, there's a pantograph and line up there.